Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook hamburger steak. Start with the right ingredients for a delicious hamburger steak. You'll need about 1½ pounds of ground beef, 1 large onion, and some beef broth. Don't forget a little flour to thicken our gravy later. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get these ingredients prepped and ready to go. Now, let's get those patties ready for the pan. Divide your ground beef into 4 equal portions and gently shape them into 1-inch thick patties. Season them well with salt and pepper. Heat your skillet with olive oil until it's nice and hot, then sear each patty for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. We're looking for a beautiful, deep brown crust to lock in all that flavor. With our patties seared, it's time to build that incredible gravy. Remove the patties and add your sliced onion to the same skillet. Cook them until they're soft and slightly browned, which takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of flour and stir for 1 minute. Slowly whisk in 1/2 cup of beef broth, making sure to scrape up all those flavorful bits from the bottom of the pan. Almost there, return your seared hamburger steak patties to the skillet, nestling them into that rich onion gravy. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures the steak is cooked through. Once it reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ready to serve. Enjoy your perfectly cooked hamburger steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.